These are my top tips for those starting off in coding, no matter what your age. Number 1, just do it. If you have been thinking about coding for a while and haven't quite taken that first step, then please just do it. Get out there, find a tutorial, watch some videos, join a free online course, but make sure you don't delay. Even if it's just an hour or less a day, set yourself some goals and get your teeth into code. Number 2, be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and you won't become an expert in 24 hours, 15 minutes, or 30 seconds. No matter what any video or tutorial tells you, you need to own the experience and take it at your own pace. There may be times where you feel frustrated, but trust me, it will be worth the journey. Number 3, you are smarter than you think. Remember, even those teaching you how to code have to start somewhere, and even though it might be a daunting task, you have to believe in your own abilities. Once you get the hang of coding, you'll be able to produce projects and complete tasks you never thought you could. So trust in your own abilities. Number 4, don't give up. If you are serious about learning how to code, then you cannot fall at the first or even the 100th hurdle. There will be times where you might think that coding isn't for you, but don't let little setbacks or tedious bugs stop your journey. It's all part of the learning process. Number 5, Google is your new best friend. If you are stuck or cannot figure something out, use Google search, look for others who have had the same problems as you. Don't try to figure it all out by yourself. There are plenty of people in the community who are willing to help. Number 6, enjoy. Finally, and most importantly, enjoy it. The only reason I am still coding 20 years after I first started is because I love what I do. I couldn't imagine myself doing anything else, apart from making YouTube videos, of course. There's nothing like the feeling you get from completing a project or writing some really cool code, even after 20 years. So all in all, please go out there, find some tutorials, learn how to code, and have fun. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel.